Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Now it's the festive season and everybody is baking. So today I'm going to show you a very basic eggless chocolate cupcakes recipe. So let's get started. So I'm going to work on the dry ingredients. I'm going to sift some 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and I'm just going to sift all these. Now let's work on the liquids. Into a bowl goes 1 cup of milk, followed by half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm just going to give it a good mix. Now into the liquids I'm going to add the dry ingredients in batches and incorporate everything really well. This is the perfect consistency of the cupcake batter, and I have already lined a cupcake tray with liners and I'm going to fill the batter, and this goes inside a preheated oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. To prepare the whipped cream frosting, I have taken 1 cup of whipped cream and I'm going to whip it at a low speed for about 2 minutes and then sift in about 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar and then continue whipping at a medium speed for about 8 to 10 minutes or until you get some soft peaks. And next I'm going to fill in a piping bag with the whipped cream. I have inserted a star nozzle. The cupcakes are also ready. It means insert a toothpick to see whether it's done. Yes, it's done. And once the cupcakes cool down, I'm going to make swirls of the whipped cream on the cupcakes and decorate it with some cherries and some cake sprinkles. And it's ready to be served. So my dear friends, please try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. If you liked watching this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Bye bye. Take care.